You got to get over the fact that it's not going to taste like potatoes.
Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it.
Hi, I'm Skinny Kenny.
And I'm Musclehead Kev, and we're the Klar Brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro. All right, we've got it going on out here in Colorado. It is beautiful.
How do you know we're in Colorado, bro?
Because we're in our white hoodies.
That's right. And it is a gorgeous day, as Kevin
The
was
deer
saying.
are coming by, gallivanting through.
The
We've
deer
had
whisper.
something pick up our cushion outside and walk off with it.
Yeah.
So, you know, it's all the adventures of Colorado.
Yeah, and the wildlife associated, right? Yeah, today we've got a great recipe for you. Super easy.
Hey, wait. Let me tell them what it is, because you always introduce the recipe.
Well, should we tell them that if they're on YouTube that they should hit the notifications, turn on the, what is it?
Hit the subscribe, turn on the notifications, and give us a big thumbs up.
Let's do that again. Let's do that again.
Turn on the notifications.
They should turn on the notifications,
hit the subscribe, and give us a big thumbs up. And when you do that, you're never going to miss a moment of this hilarity.
That's right. Well, we're counting on you. Tell all your friends and neighbors.
Hey, I heard we got a giveaway coming up. I didn't mean to interrupt you, but I was interrupting.
Well, the giveaway, I think, is out a little bit, but we are prepping for a holiday giveaway.
That's right.
That's our plan.
So
and we got some really special we're cooking up in the back office there. You guys are gonna love this, but we don't want to spoil the surprise too soon.
Okay. Well, we do have a cool recipe that I get to introduce this time because it's right down my alley. It's turkey burgers with jicama fries. They're lettuce wrap burgers, right? So we're gonna get the burgers ready, and we're gonna try an air fryer, and we're gonna compare it to the oven,
the conventional oven.
Yeah.
And yeah, so this is a pretty healthy meal, right? Turkey burger lettuce wrap, so you don't even have the bun.
I'm not sure what could go wrong because we've never used jicama and we've never used an air fryer. So we'll have to wait and see. But stick right with us because the ingredient list is pretty easy, pretty simple. You're just gonna have to mess with either the air fryer, or the oven, and a grill. What the heck is that?
Well, these are jicama, but they sound like jicama.
What?
Yeah.
Do you guys know what this is? Have you seen these?
Well, they're seasonal, and you can't get them in the grocery store all the time, but they're there now. So we're gonna make our French fries out of this stuff. And I got the French fry side, so we're gonna peel these. I just got basically a potato peeler. I'm gonna peel these, and then I'm gonna mix in the garlic powder, and olive oil, and a little Parmesan cheese. And the olive oil is gonna go first because that's what's gonna help all this stuff stick to these little things. And we're gonna compare the way they taste when they come out of the oven, which is gonna take about twice as long, or when they come out of the air fryer. We got an air fryer.
What we found pretty quickly was that the air fryer was small batches, so you're only gonna do like a single serving. And the oven, you could do a whole baked cookie sheet.
So if you want to feed an army, you know, the air fryer is gonna be tough. And the one we got is kind of all in one thing. They probably have larger air fryers that make larger.
I have got the burger side. So this is our turkey, 1% turkey meat, ground, and we got our garlic and our onion powder and our Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of salt, an egg. That's all gonna get mixed together, and we're gonna make 3 or 4 patties of it.
Where's the bun, buddy?
The bun is right here.
Oh!
It's a lettuce wrap.
That's right.
And we're gonna cheese and tomato to go on it, along with any other condiments that you might like.
And if you need a quick review, you can go and check out one of our hot bites. We showed you how to decore a lettuce.
A quick note to self, it's this motion.
Basically, we're ready to go on the grill. We got the grill at what?
The grill's at about 350 or 375.
And it just says high grill because a lot of people don't have this fancy temperature control thing, but we had to pick a temperature. So 350, and I think we got the oven at 475.
Look, he's got 4 patties. They're gonna shrink a little.
Yeah.
And then I cut up the jicama. It's kind of that oblong shape. So I cut it up on the round so that you can make these steak-shaped fries. And this is gonna go in the microwave, or you could boil it on the stove until these are soft.
Yeah.
Otherwise, jicama has a little bit of this snappy crunch. So if you want to get rid of the snappy crunch, you know, we're trying
and for those of you that don't know what the round is, you know, those jicama, they were kind of oblong shaped. You turn them up so they're the long way. That's the way you cut them. And then you cut them into slices. So you end up with these little guys like this. So we're gonna stick this in the microwave for about 10 minutes. We're gonna see if they're soft, kind of make sure they're soft. And then when we come out, we'll show you what it looks like when we come out. We're gonna season them in preparation for the oven.
Well, they're gonna do oven and air fryer, right? We're gonna have a little bit for each.
We
have no idea how this is gonna work out.
Yeah. So we'll be back in just a jiffy.
All right, hang with us. We're not sure we got it figured out right, do we?
Well, we got the air fryer going. This is our little air fryer. It's a combo air fryer, slow cooker, pressure cooker thing. What do they call that? And so we're trying it out. Instapot. We're trying it out for the first time. We got it preheating at 400 for 10 minutes, and then when it gets done, we're going to put the jicama in. But the challenge is the basket is really small, and you can only lay these jicama kind of side by side. You can't stack them on each other.
So we've got an alternative plan. We've got cookie sheets. We're going to put a cookie sheet out here. We've got our jicama all seasoned up, ready to go. We're just going to lay it out flat, and it's going to go in the oven at 400 or 450 for 10 or 15 minutes until it's brown. Yeah. And then we're going to go, and the turkey is going to go on the grill. So we're kind of to the point where we're ready. We'll probably stick it in the oven first, the part that goes in the oven, and because it's going to take about twice as long. And then when we do the air fryer and
they said we got to put these things in the oven for 40 minutes, but when it gets halfway, we're supposed to turn them. So we probably won't have the patience to turn them.
Where did you come up with this recipe?
So when we turn them, though, that's when we'll put these ones in the air fryer.
Right. So hang with us. Hang with us. We're gonna get them in there going, and I guess the next shot, you'll see it when it's kind of done. Did you hear that?
No. It always surprises me. It always surprises me. I got my bear claws. I'm ready to go.
Because we're in Colorado.
I'm gonna lift out the lid, and you're gonna lift out. Wait, you're gonna eat one of these. And you're gonna.
I'm just gonna scoop it out.
You are? Okay.
Well, we'll see.
Go.
Okay. Well, this looks cool.
You might want to put that glove on.
You think?
Yeah.
Well, they look a little crispy, like the Parmesan. What do you think? They still got a little crunch to them.
They're a little crispy.
But they were a little more al dente. They were a little more soft.
Yeah.
But man, we put them in the microwave for 20 minutes.
Okay, we're off the grill.
Wow, look. Hey, the jicama fries, they look pretty good.
So we got the air fried version here on this little plate. We got, we have the oven fried ones on this other plate. We didn't cook them long enough in the microwave. We should have probably boiled them on the stove.
Yeah, they needed to be softer.
Yeah, they don't taste bad. They just don't taste like they're got a little.
Well, you know how French fries, they're a little soft in the middle and they're kind of warm but soft, and these ones are a little bit like, I don't know how to describe it, but like al dente or a little snap.
You can't even spell.
I know, I can't. I definitely can't. Yeah. Well, we're gonna make our burgers. We're gonna have our fries, right?
We're gonna make our burgers.
I like some horseradish mustard.
Give me some of the yellow mustard. Now you can use ketchup if you want, but know that ketchup has got sugar in it, right? That's kind of how they make it. It's tomato sauce and sugar. So you want to go sparingly if you're going to use it. I'll put a little on mine. You put a little on yours. No. We got the natural, 100% natural, but it's still got sugar in it. So you just want to be sparingly with it. Maybe I'll put some on the jicama and see how that tastes. All right, what do you think?
Yeah, the fries aren't bad.
So we lettuce wrap this. We just kind of pick it up like a lettuce wrap. Mmm.
Hey,
the burger.
Buddy. And I checked. The next time we do this, we'll just have to boil them a little longer.
Yeah, they taste fine. Because they don't have much taste.
Yeah.
They're just a little crunchier than normal fries would be. So I think if we boil them a little bit more, they'll be perfect next time.
Hang on, I'm hungry.
I finally found a way to shut my brother up.
Turn on the notifications, smash the like, and give us a big thumbs up. And then you'll get these recipes. This one will be posted on our klarhealth.com.
Yeah.
You can go there for information about our program that we coach. You can go there for recipes. I think there's like 40 recipes on there now, right?
Yeah, we're hooking up some special stuff here. So if you're interested in getting healthy, we would love to help you. Go to that website, click on the health assessment, fill it out. We'll chat with you, no pressure at all. We just want to help you if we can. We would love to help you if you wanna do it. So
with that,
Brothers Bistro
out.